Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in settings. So go over to settings, now scroll a bit down to sound and vibration, and here you guys need to check your volume levels in the volume section right here. So what we're most interested in is the media right here. You guys can set it to my setting or just boost it up all the way to the right. It's totally up to you, but I prefer this setting right here because this way whenever our speaker is gonna work, then we just don't blow our ears out. So this is the safe setting. You guys can of course boost it up, it's up to you. Now what you guys can do is make sure that Bluetooth is disabled to ensure that audio is not being rerouted anywhere else. So for an example, your car, earphones, earbuds, or practically anything else. So make sure that this is gray and not blue. Make sure that you turn off the Bluetooth and you guys can enable it back after you test it out. What you guys want to do next is restart your phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button only. Now swipe up to restart and let go of your finger. Now all you guys have to do is wait for the phone to turn back on, so I'll see you guys in a second. After the restart, what you guys can do is check for the software updates. So this is the last resort. Scroll down in the settings until you see system and update, go to software update, and now it's checking for updates automatically. You need to be connected to Wi-Fi in order to do this. Now my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it so you keep up with your updates. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.